Welcome guys, today we're going to try and take the engine out so the car will be lighter and we can start working on the body of the car. So the cooling system is now getting out. Here's and on the bottom are two hoses with flathead screwdriver, and it just slides here, and it was fixed with a 13mm bolt down there. The hood came off, unscrewing these two bolts on either side. The drive shaft is secured with this cover plate and nuts. These ones are unbolted, and then this safety mechanism goes out. This was like that, but Aleš buffed it off. Maybe he can buff this off. Thank you so much for joining in. The hamster is out, so the work on the body can continue. I hope you enjoyed and see you next time.